Hello people, I'm Slim and you're watching the Slim Bob YouTube channel. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Slim Bob YouTube channel. I've been gone for a little bit, but we've been going through a bunch of stuff, as I'm sure you're aware if you live in the United States. But that hasn't stopped me from moving forward. I got a truckload full of stuff and I want to open it up. It's a little warm out here if you can't tell, but I got a truckload full of stuff and I want to show you what we're going to be doing. Little bit of update to fill you in a little bit more on what we're going to be doing. I don't know if I've introduced you to the truck yet. This is Betty. We're going to be doing a system in her too. We got all kinds of plans. The Accord's still here. I got some stuff for her. The truck's here. I got some stuff for her. What do you say we break into the back of the truck and see what we're working with? Oh boy, I'm excited to show you guys this stuff. I can't tell you how tickled I am to finally have picked it up. I've been waiting a long time to get a lot of this stuff. Finally got it picked up. I'm extremely excited. I can't wait. Let's break into it. Let's see what some of this stuff looks like. All right, guys. You guys ready to see what I picked up? I'm excited. I'm going to start off with some small stuff first, okay? Now, this is all stuff that's going in my vehicles. We're going to start off with some stuff that's going to go into the Accord. Now, since we're doing a wall behind the front seat, there's not going to be any back doors. There's not going to be any back deck. So we're going to have to do our mids and highs all on the front doors. So what we're going to do is 2 pair of 6.5s. And I picked up some beautiful Focal 6.5s. I love Focal. I love the way they sound. I love the way they look. They're probably the cleanest mids and highs speakers I've come across so far. They're not the cheapest in the world, but when you find them on sale, they're amazing, amazing things. I don't have an amp for them yet. That's probably next on the list. But 2 pair of 6.5s, we're going to put 1 pair in each of the front 2 doors. So we're going to end up having to do custom door pods in the front doors. But these are just beautiful. I can't wait to hear them. All right, what's next? What do we got here? Wolfram Audio, 1500.1, 2 of them. Oh boy. Let's crack this guy open, see what we got. Oh, what a beautiful amplifier. Get out of the plastic here so you guys can see it. Okay, so this, the Wolfram Audio W Series 1500.1. Single 8 gauge input, 8 gauge output, internally bridged. For those that care about the cool stuff. Gain, sub filter, subsonic filter, low pass, bass boost, which you never use anyway, phase shift, input, and master output. It's because these guys can be strapped together. And remote gain. Comes with the Allen wrenches, Comes with the instructions. Comes with the remote gain. And we got 2 of them. 2 of them? Why did we get 2 of them? I'm glad you asked. Let me show you. That's why. Sundown Audio U Series 18. That's a big boy. Take a little closer look. Beautiful interior. Hope you can see that. I can't see the screen. Big beefy motor. 1500 watt RMS on the power handling. And that next to the 6.5. That give you any idea kind of the scale of this guy. That is a beefy sub. Now, you want to know the best part? Let me show you. I got 2 of them. There it is down there. I got 2 of them. Those are the 18s that we're going to be putting in the Accord. That's a big bastard right there. We still got a bit of ways to go on the Accord though. I still got to get power wire, batteries. Hell, I haven't even got a head unit yet. Head unit, install kit, all the wiring. We got a little bit of ways to go on that one. But let me show you what we're going to do for the truck. So Betty's a 4-door. I got the full back seat in there, but I got plenty of room under the back seat to put some bass. Man, it's warm out here, y'all sweating too? Whew. Damn, am I that bold? Okay. So, to add some bass to the truck, I need to keep the back seat. I still drive around with people. I need passenger space. But I wanted a bunch of bass to happen. But I wanted a bunch of bass, just like on my other vehicles. JL had the solution. I'll start with that. The JL 12 TW3. This is their thin version. Now the cool thing is, it's not just something that's got a squash little basket. It's not just something that's gonna have a lower power handling. It's actually completely redesigned. Let me get this opened up and I'll show you. What do we got? Warnings. Register it online. Oh, JL stickers. Stickers, that's at least 4 dB. And owner's manual. Now this 12 still has 400 watts of RMS power handling. I got the dual 8s because I'm going to be running 2 of them. And I need to get it down to 2 ohms, of course. I'll get into the amp in a minute. But this is the cool part. And I can't give you all the specific technicals on it because I haven't 100% learned them yet. But look at this thing. Look how thin it is. Now it's got a plastic cover on the front, so I'm going to flip it over and show you. Look at this thing. It's completely redesigned. Spiders here. There's the voice coil. Magnets in there. You guys know my drink. I always got to have my drink. That's not very thick at all. Look at it compared to the 6.5s. I'll be able to have two full power 12-inch subs under the back seat of my truck. That's amazing. And it's JL. You know JL's quality product. I also wanted something that's going to be sound quality, because we're going to be doing some more sound quality stuff in the truck. Probably some sound processors, more focal mids and highs. It's going to be my SQ vehicle, and we'll keep the Accord as the boom box, huh? So we got a nice high quality pair of 12s to put in the truck. It's the start of another project. But what amp do you want when you want quality and power? Audio control. Audio control is the name of sound quality. Built-in sound processors, built-in low to high converters, AccuBass to fill in that low bass when the factory system cuts it out. There is no other way to go when you're integrating with a factory system than audio control. And the LC 1.800 in its teeny tiny little package is going to be plenty to run those pair of 12s. Now, because I'm keeping the factory system in there, I'm going to need a way to tie in to the factory wiring. I'm not going to be using RCAs from an aftermarket head unit. The truck's got navigation, satellite radio. It's got everything I need. I don't want to get rid of that. Well, the LC 1.800, because I didn't pull those screws off, let me do that real quick. So the LC 800, under this beautiful top panel, if I can get it off of here. Here it is. Has all the controls under the top. Keeps the underside clean. We've got the dual 40 amp fuses, 8 gauge power and ground, remote in and out. That's important. High level inputs, low level inputs, the remote bass gain, and of course the subwoofer output. But the important stuff's going to be up here. The GTO signal sense. That's going to be so you don't have to run a remote power wire to this. You can enable and disable the AccuBass. Like I said, that's where they're going to add and take off the bass, or add the bass that the factory system takes away at high volumes to protect the factory speakers. Crossover frequencies, gain, output polarity, and then the source input lights. Beautiful, beautiful amplifier. I can't wait to get it installed. Man, it's hot out here. Man. You think it's the middle of summer or something? Oh, by the way, you guys like my hat? Got a hat made. It's a Slim Bob. Look. We got a shirt made too. You probably noticed the hello people part. I got creative one night. Speaking of creative, they're going to be the guys that do this system in the truck for me. Sweating so bad. So anyway, figured I'd give you a kind of a behind the scenes look at what I'm getting ready to do in the Accord and the Silverado. I got a lot of plans. Move over here so you can see me. I got a lot of plans. Probably the next video you're gonna see, I'll be getting the truck installed. I'm getting some bass put in the Silverado. So if you're interested in seeing that, click the like, the subscribe, click the little bell notifications so that'll send you a notification when I put a new video up. I need all the help I can get with the likes and the subscribes. So pass it along to your friends. If you got a bunch of friends that like bassing too, I'm gonna keep posting on the builds, and hopefully you guys can come along on the ride with me. So I think that's gonna be about it. I've rambled on long enough about all the toys, but like I said, like, subscribe, share, hit the little bell, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.